Mangoes, juicy, sweet, and loved worldwide, are now more accessible than ever thanks to advancements in farming and processing technology. But how exactly are millions of mangoes planted, harvested, and transformed into juice, snacks, and more? Let's take a journey from mango orchards to processing plants to understand how this beloved tropical fruit reaches your plate. The process begins in the spring when the weather is warm and ideal for planting mango trees. On large-scale farms, mangoes are typically grown from grafted saplings rather than seeds. This method not only ensures consistent fruit quality, but also allows the tree to bear fruit much earlier, usually within 2 to 3 years compared to 5 to 8 years for seed-grown trees. During this time, farmers carefully tend to the trees, pruning, fertilizing, and protecting them from pests, all while preparing for the flowering season. As the flowering season begins, small blossoms cover the trees. Over the next 100 to 110 days, these flowers slowly develop into plump, fragrant mangoes. In regions like Miguel Hidalgo, Mexico, harvesting begins during the peaceful early mornings when the weather is cool. For low-hanging fruit, skilled workers hand-pick each mango gently to avoid bruising and preserve its ripeness. This traditional method is still preferred because it protects both the fruit and the tree. However, for taller mango trees, harvesting requires a bit of help. Workers use long poles with nets to reach the mangoes high above without damaging them. After being harvested, the mangoes are collected in large baskets and brought to an inspection area. Here, any remaining stems are trimmed and the mangoes are carefully examined. They're then loaded onto mechanical sorting systems, gentle conveyors and rollers that rotate each mango to allow quality checks. Unripe or damaged fruits are removed, ensuring that only the best mangoes move on to the next stage. The next phase is cleaning and heat treatment. Mangoes are placed into high-pressure washing tunnels to remove any dirt or residue. Then comes a critical step, a brief hot water bath that deactivates an enzyme called polyphenol oxidase. This enzyme, if left untreated, can cause browning and negatively affect the flavor and appearance of mango juice. Once cleaned and treated, the mangoes are ready for various forms of processing. For juice production, the mangoes are peeled and deseeded using either automated machines or trained workers with special knives that minimize flesh waste. The peeled mangoes are then crushed using powerful fruit crushers that achieve up to 99.5% pulp recovery, maximizing efficiency and reducing waste. After this, the pulp is transferred to a bubble washer that uses water and air pressure to remove small debris like dust or hair. A degassing machine removes excess oxygen from the pulp to prevent spoilage and maintain color and taste. Next comes homogenization, where the pulp is blended into a smooth, consistent texture. It's then bottled using a gravity filling system that ensures each bottle is filled evenly. The bottles are sealed tightly with caps and labeled, ready to be shipped around the world as delicious mango juice. But juice isn't the only product made from mangoes. Some are set aside for canning. These mangoes are left to ripen naturally in a large, well-ventilated warehouse before being processed. Once perfectly ripe, the mango flesh is ground into a thick, aromatic puree and transferred into cans. After being quality checked for texture and flavor, the cans are sealed and stored, allowing people to enjoy the taste of summer all year long. Other mangoes are destined to become frozen or freeze-dried snacks. For frozen mangoes, the fruit is peeled, diced, and quickly frozen to preserve freshness. In the freeze-drying process, mango slices are frozen at extremely low temperatures, and then water is removed in a vacuum chamber. This results in crunchy, nutrient-rich mango snacks that are perfect for on-the-go consumption. There's also a growing demand for cold-pressed mango juice. In this method, mangoes are peeled, sliced, and juiced using hydraulic pressure without heat, preserving more vitamins and natural flavor. The juice is then filtered, lightly sweetened if necessary, and bottled under strict quality standards. From planting to packaging, the mango's journey is a fascinating blend of nature, tradition, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you enjoy it fresh, canned, juiced, or freeze-dried, every mango you eat has gone through a careful and complex process to ensure the best taste, quality, and safety. Thanks to modern farming and production methods, the mango has become not just a seasonal delight, but a fruit that can be enjoyed anywhere, anytime.